In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Clickup goals. Whether you're managing a team or striving to achieve personal milestones, organizing your objectives in Clickup can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. If you aren't familiar with Clickup, it's a powerful tool designed to make task and project management a breeze. Once on their homepage, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner. Click on it to proceed to the login page. For a quicker login experience, you can select Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your existing Google account, saving you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Just choose your account from the list you see and you'll be taken straight to your Clickup workspace. After logging in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and locate the More option. Clicking on this will expand a menu of additional tools available to you in Clickup. Among these options, you'll find Goals. Selecting Goals from this menu will lead you to the dedicated section for setting your objectives. Once you're on the Goals page, you can initiate the creation of a new goal by clicking on the button that says Set a Goal. This is where the magic starts. A prompt will appear asking you to define the details of your new goal. Begin by giving your goal a name. Choose a title that clearly represents the objective you're looking to achieve. It should be specific and concise, helping you stay focused on the end result. Next, you'll need to identify who will own this goal. Assigning an owner is crucial as it designates responsibility and accountability for achieving the set objective. If you're working with a team, consider who is best suited to drive this goal to completion. With a name and an owner in place, it's time to establish a time frame. Setting a date for your goal helps you track progress and evaluate results effectively. Assign a realistic deadline that pushes you to meet your targets without being overly restrictive. To wrap up the goal-setting process, click through the remaining sections to fill in any additional details that are necessary. This might include adding descriptions, notes, or tags that help clarify the goal's purpose or categorize it within your broader objectives. And that's it. You've successfully created a goal in Clickup. With your goals now clearly defined, you can confidently manage your projects knowing that you have a structured plan guiding your progress. Thanks for watching and happy goal setting!